Hello, folks. Today, I wanted to show you what was the beginner set that I bought, since it got me very, very far along my learning path. This is a pretty standard basic kit with some very rough tools. And what lessons did I have learned with these kind of tools? Well, the thing is that you probably will have most of them available in your kit, but you won't be using them for most part. What I'm actually using is just the hooks, because I'm interested in single pin lockpicking. Obviously, the bottom of the key tensioning tools, these I use a lot, and a couple of rakes, but really in this set I really just used these two. I don't know how they are called, and with just this kind of tooling I got a long way. There are a couple of tools that you will not need for most of the padlocks that you will encounter, because, well, it's for different kind of locks, but I didn't know when I first started. And you get into the set some very weak top of the key tensioners. I don't even really know what they are used for real, but these is very hard to use and pretty useless, at least in the beginning. I actually tried and succeeded in using some dimple locks, lockpicks, but it's not very often, so probably in a beginner set you won't be needing it. If you follow a lot of very interesting and skillful YouTube videos and YouTube content creators like the Lockpicking Lawyer and Bosnian Bills and others, you will probably need to add to your kit some basic top of the key tensioning tools. This is another kind of tensioning tool that I bought always on Amazon from Europe differently. And since I've been practicing a lot with very old padlocks, well, I obviously had to integrate my kit with some basic lubricant. It's an all-purpose lubricant. It's very good for most applications. And all of these other tools, I really very seldom use them, but yeah, really, you probably will not need them anywhere soon in your learning path. At least that is my experience. If you have different experience, please correct me in the comments. And well, but if you do not need all of these kind of tools from a basic beginner set, what should you buy for beginning? I actually discovered, but I discovered very late, that on the Reddit sub-channel for the lockpicking sport, there is a very great guide on how to compose your beginner set with high quality picks, not these. I mean, I'm having fun with these, but these are not high quality picks. And there is a guide that will teach you how to compose a beginner set, which can cost approximately, like this beginner set, this was a $30 set. I'm in Europe, so approximately 30 euros set. And for the very same price, you can get better quality picks. And the last thing, this is the thinners pick that I've been using. I've been using through almost every of my videos. And this I needed to polish myself with some sandpaper. I read about some guides. There are other YouTube videos explaining to you how to do it yourself. It was fun, and it was not very hard to do, even as a beginner, and it improved the quality of my lockpicking a lot. So I suggest you learn that too, because it is fun, and if it is for sport, then probably you will have some free time to spend in it. And this is the only actual thing that I had to do to modify this very basic kit that I've been having a lot of fun with. And that's it for today.